Okay. Now on the carrot, for the top of the carrot, we're going to want this bottom, obviously orange for the carrot, and the top part's going to have green. Now, because a carrot, the top of the carrot, the green part, is thicker at the top, again, we're going to roll that like a ski slope. So what we'll do is we'll roll that thicker at one end than the other. So I'll flip this around. This is going to be the top of the jump, and we've got the bottom. So we'll cut this out in two pieces. So I've got that real thick at the top, and we'll just cut that, wiggle it a little bit, pull the pieces away, and then what we'll do is allow the spatula, please. And what we'll do is we'll cut that right off. Oops. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to apply that to the carrot. And again, like I said, you don't have to be real perfectionist on applying this. We do want some of that cookie to show, so you can tell that it is a cookie. I kind of hit my finger on the natural edges there. And then what we're going to do is we'll roll out the bottom part of the carrot. And we'll go ahead and cut that as well. These cookie cutters, I use cookie cutters for every aspect of decorating. It's one of the greatest tools that we have available to us. And you want this one a little bit thinner. Okay, and again, the rule is we always puff on the back side, you never flip that over. I happened to be with a bunch of chefs the first time I did this when I was working with fondant, and the whole room, air was sucked out of the room when I did it. So it's one of those things you do once and it leaves such an impression on you, you don't ever do it again. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and paint the back of that again, and we'll attach that to our carrot. And again, pushing that down. Now the connection, that always helps.
It's really helpful if
if
your friend doesn't
good.
spill the sugar pearls all over the table.
Yeah, you just can't get good help anymore.
Yeah, it's hard.
Okay, and pushing that out to the edge. All right, now we need some more dimension with this carrot. So again, this tool is probably one that we use the most when we're working with fondant, either flowers or this kind of thing. And we're going to draw some lines into the carrot. And just a light push. And this does need to be done while the fondant is applied, while it's fresh and soft. And we're going to add some dimension into the top of this. And I kind of use the side of the tool to pull it up. Just you can really dig into that, and we can always reconnect the seam again. There we go. And voila, you have a carrot.